What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I know it ain't car shit, but I know it's not car stuff, but you know, it's all about the football side of me. You're not getting all the car stuff. You're not getting all the car stuff. You're gonna get football shit this time. But since I'm playing for semi-pro team, MVP, Missouri Valley Pit Bulls, I gotta take apart this helmet because we're painting the shell. This was my last team. The shell was white. I had to take apart my helmet so we can get my shell painted. So let's get this started, brother. You know what I'm saying? Got my drill. And I'm just, doing what I do. First, let's take apart this face mask. You know, they got quick release points, you know what I'm saying? You got the quick release. So, what you do is just push in. I'm gonna use this screwdriver. All you do is just push in these little buttons. Push in the buttons and pull out, and they should pop out. I don't know. That's one. 3 more to go, brother. I'm on this last table. I know I shouldn't be, you know what I mean? That's 2. That's 3. I don't want to lose that. I really should be on this last table. I'm gonna set these aside. See, look at that face, man. That's a shot 2.0. I think it's like clear champagne or something like that. Now it's time to take apart chin strap. Right on this back, you got a quick release thing on here too. It's probably not quick release, but I don't think I have the tool for this. I think it's tightened down. Brother. Well, I'm gonna take these top strap blocks off, like this chin strap off. To take the padding out and inside, just unscrew these 1, 2, 3 tops, 3 little black screws on top. You can see them. That's 1, 2, 3. Just unscrew them. Get the airbag up. That's 1. 2. 3. That should just pop out, I think. So you mean you got 2 on the side, 1, 2 for your ear pad. Just do the same thing, just unscrew screw. That's 1 pad. Hey, that's giddy. For your forehead pad, you got 2 screws underneath there. This is Phillips, 2 Phillips. There's the forehead pad. Pull this liner out. Look at that. And all that's out. And now you got all these black. I guess it's just holding the quick release. You just pop those out and you're good. It's hard. I'm pretty sure for the bottom of the chin strap, I think this just screws out, but I ain't strong enough to screw it out, but We're gonna just go get some pliers. That's all to it. Hey, and that's how you take down your Rebel Flex. If you like this video, hit the likes, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Yeah.